Hello everyone, let me guide you through the demo of Hide e-commerce categories for shop in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This powerful tool allows you to hide specific product categories from your web store, ensuring a more cured and streamlined shopping experience for customers. Perfect for managing seasonal products, exclusive collection, or restricted items. This module helps you customize your storefront with ease, enhance product organization, improve customer navigation, and optimize your e-commerce strategy. So, first of all, we will go into the website module. Here, under e-commerce, we will find a menu for e-commerce categories. Select that menu and here you can see the different type of category for your e-commerce. Here, if I select any category, here you can see an option for hide in shop. Here you can see that the boolean is disabled right now. So we will go into the home page. In shop, we can see the category desk and all the categories in the e-commerce. After that, again, we will go into the e-commerce. Under e-commerce, we will find e-commerce category. Select any category. Here I am selecting desk. Now enable the boolean hide in shop. Now again, we will go into our home page. In shop, now in the categories, you can see the desk category disappeared from your shop. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.